Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A pleasantly warm start to the week for the southern half of Queensland, with very little rain reported in the past 24 hours. I think 18 millimetres at Maryborough was probably the highest. Wednesday, Thursday could see the return of a few coastal showers spreading inland by the weekend. A sample of today's temperatures across the Downs. Toowoomba rose to a high of 25 degrees after a low this morning of 12. The top in Warwick was 26 and Dalby got to a summery 27. Looking at the satellite loop now, it's generally quiet across Queensland. What showers there are have basically been concentrated mostly north of about Townsville or Ingham and the wet tropical coast, but a few little ones did get through the Whitsundays again, just light showers, and a couple of little sporadic, or you might say rogue ones, even across the interior of the Wide Bay, Burnet and southeast coast, but generally amounted to very little rain. Let's have a look at the chart today. We've got the inland trough, and that's only recently developed, and we've got a weakening high out in the Tasman Sea, which is still bringing a weak ridge of high pressure along the coast just due to southeast winds pushing against the Great Dividing Range. Now on tomorrow's chart, the inland trough tries to make a crossing, a bit of it breaks off, but instead what happens, this next high pushes a new southeasterly change up the coast. It's only a weak one. On the outlook chart, as that southeasterly creeps up the coast, heavy showers continue in the far north, but in the southeast now we start to get more moisture and a couple of showers as well midweek. The latest now from the Weather Bureau. Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. A possible shower on the Granite Belt tomorrow, but otherwise a fine day. 26 at top for Dalby, 27 for Goondiwindi, Toowoomba 22 degrees, Warwick 8 up to 24. And for the southeast coast, a possible shower just on the border ranges with 27 degrees expected at both Gatton and Ipswich, and Brisbane a top of 25. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, moisture and cloud should start to increase again from Wednesday, and by Friday I'd expect we'll see at least one shower, maybe a couple more as we roll into the weekend. For Warwick, there's slightly less chance of rain than Toowoomba, but it's certainly still there. The highest will be Sunday when it comes to 40%. And for Dalby, again, we've got that same trend, at least a little bit of cloud on the weekend. If we're lucky, we'll get a shower, tops in the mid to high 20s. That's about all I have for you on the weather front this Monday evening. Thanks for joining in the discussion. Hope you can tune in again tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have something interesting to add. But for now, it's goodbye. See you soon, and it's back to the team.
Livio, wonderful, mate. Thank you very much. Nice having your company. Catch you tomorrow night. And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on 7 Plus. From all of us, good night. Good night.